You pull your sawdust off the back of your CNC, it'll pull it off the floor. It's really, really, really good. You will be shocked, and you can get cobwebs and dirt off the top of your ceiling. Now let's go down and do it on the floor. Made a pile of sawdust. I don't have to bend over. I can go, it's got amazing suction. It would sure be nice if there was an inexpensive solution that we could put together for $1 or $2. The answer, there is. What you need is just a regular old pool noodle that you get at the dollar store. And that pool noodle has a hollow core. And it just so happens, you take your vacuum cleaner and you twist it on like so. This is a Festool, but if your vacuum connection is a little bit big, just put a little tiny slit in the foam and then put a piece of duct tape around it. And you can go that way. If it's too small, put a little tape around your fitting and go like that. So what you've done is you've created a long extension. You can even tape 2 of these together and you could get high ceilings and pull cobwebs off. But don't tell your wife, because if you tell your wife, you're going to be cleaning the house and you should be in your shop. You should be doing woodworking. So be careful about sharing too much knowledge, or it's going to get you in trouble. So I'm going to show you this work, and if you think this is the best $2 hack for a vacuum you've ever seen, I ask that you like it and subscribe. I also have an Auric XL. The Auric XL just so happens that it's a perfect fit as well. So if you want to have a little handheld vacuum and you're like, you know, going around your house and you want to get cobwebs off things, you can do that. This is the top of my garage. It's about, I don't know, 12, 13 foot ceilings. And let me show you how easy this is to get these cobwebs that are sitting up. And it would be equally good if you had household vents that you wanted to vacuum. You didn't want to get on a ladder, or you wanted to just back off lights or something like that. Let me show you this in practice. Now let's go down and do it on the floor. Made a pile of sawdust. I don't have to bend over. I can go, it's got amazing suction. I think you're gonna really, really like it. I really hope that you go to the dollar store or your local big box store, pick up a pool noodle or go out in your garage. You probably already have one, perhaps. And for $2, you've got yourself a vacuum that's really, really nice.